Welcome friends. Question number 1. Which one is the personal safety? Answer B. Concentration on your work. 2. Name the mandatory symbol. Answer A. Stop. 3. Flammable of liquefiable solids are classified as class B fire. 4. Which is the immediate life-saving procedure? Answer A. First aid. 5. Name the warning sign. Answer C. Unguarded. 6. What is the class of fire caused by firewood, paper, cloth? Answer A. Class A fire. 7. Which fire extinguisher filled with carbon tetrachloride and bromochloro-difluoromethane? Answer B. Halon extinguisher, which comes under mechanical occupational hazards. Answer unguarded machinery. 9. How to stop bleeding of injured person? Answer D. Apply pressure over the wound. 10. What is the name of sign? Answer D. Pedestrian crossing. 11. What are the 3 factors causes fire? Answer A. Fuel, heat, oxygen. 12. What is the period referred as golden hours? First 30 minutes after incident. 13. What is the first step of avoiding accident in workplace? Answer C. By observing safety precautions. 14. What does the symbol denotes? Answer B. Give way. 15. What is the color code of bins for waste paper segregation? Answer B. Blue. 16. What is the kind of road sign? Answer D. Information sign. 17. Which fire extinguisher is used for flammable and running liquid fire? Answer A. Foam extinguisher. 18. What A denotes in ABC of first aid? Answer A. Airway. 19. What is the process of breaking down the materials into organic compounds and can be used as C. Composting. 20. What is the color code for plastic waste bin? Answer D. Yellow. 21. Name the part of the file marked as X. Answer A. Heel. 22. What is the use of a tri-square? Answer A. To check right angle. 23. Which marking media is poisonous? Answer C. Copper sulfate. 24. Which part of universal surface gauge holds the scriber? Answer A. Snug. 25. What is the name of the vise? Answer C. Hand vise. 26. A new hacksaw blade after a few strokes becomes loose because of answer A. Stretching of blade. 27. Why breakage of teeth occur easily while sawing off thin-walled workpieces and the start of cut? Answer D. Hand force acts only upon few teeth. 28. Which chisel used for squaring materials at the corners joints? Answer C. Diamond point chisel. 29. Name the part of a hammer marked as X. Answer C. Cheek. 30. Which angle is represented by the symbol G on the cutting chisel? Answer A. Rake angle. 31. Name the property of metal which can be drawn into wire without rupture. Answer A. Ductility. 32. What is the spindle movement of one division of thimble with spindle thread of 0.5 mm pitch? Answer A. 0.01 mm. 33. What is the reading of a vernier caliper? Answer D. 35.4 mm. 34. What is the reading of vernier bevel protector? Answer 41 degree 50 minute. 35. What is the use of feeler gauge? Answer D. check the gap between the meeting parts. 36. Read the measurement in the dial caliper. Answer 26.2 D. 37. What operation is carried out in a gang drilling machine? Answer D. Successive operation of drilling. 38. Which is an integral part of the stock in vernier bevel protector? Answer B. Dial. 39. Name the part marked as X of the file. Answer C. Ferrule. 40. Which file is used to make the job close to the finishing size? Answer C. Second cut. 41. Which file has the parallel edges throughout the length? Answer A. Hand file. 42. What is the material to manufacture bench hoist? Answer D. Cast iron. 43. Which marking media provide clear lines on machine finished surfaces? Answer B. Prussian blue. 44. What is the purpose of slots provided in the slotted angle plate? Answer A. Job clamping. 45. Which caliper is used to mark the center of round bar? Answer Jenny caliper. 46. Name the part marked as X. Answer D. Fulcrum. 47. Name the angular measuring instrument. Answer C. Universal bevel gauge. 48. Which is used for filling narrow grooves and angles above 10 degree? Answer D. Knife edge file. 49. Name the defect that causes the metal chips to clog between the teeth of file. Answer B. Pinning of file. 50. Which chisel is used for cutting aisle grooves? Answer C. Half round nose chisel. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.